I'm Jeff with XDP, and we're here with Lavon from Firepunk. We're going to talk about the street and track transmission from the Firepunk lineup. Lavon, tell us a little bit about it.
The street track transmission is ideal for guys that want to drive their truck on the street and be able to go to the track occasionally on the weekends. This is a upgraded transmission. We've addressed all the common failure areas. It's got upgraded clutches in all throughout with added clutches in the third gear direct drum and also an added clutch in the overdrive. And we've addressed the failure areas with the second gear band with a billet strut, anchor, and a servo. This also has a billet accumulator piston, a high pressure valve body, double deep pan, heavy duty triple disc torque converter, flex plate, comes as a turnkey product.
So Lavon, what application is best for this transmission?
This application is most commonly used in trucks where they've put a tuner on it, they've turned it all the way up, and they've either added a set of injectors or a turbocharger. That's where you can make 550 horsepower with those pretty easily. And this has a billet input shaft, triple disc converter, flex plate, all the really things that you need in a transmission to hold that kind of power. And these are guys that are still daily driving their trucks. They're using it on a daily basis for work, but occasionally they want to go to the track on Friday night or go to a local dirt drag and just see what their truck can do. And this really works out good. Like I have guys who run like in the high 12-second range in the quarter mile with this transmission. But if you're looking to really set the world on fire drag racing, if you launch this transmission really hard, the stock output shaft is at risk, and then we recommend going into our competition transmission.
So that wraps it up for the street and track transmission from Firepunk. We'd like to thank Lavon for being here today, and to find out more about a Firepunk trans for your truck, check out xdp.com.